Well, my friend didn't come, so I guess I'm stuck here, and I'll just kill time again to make this second video. And I don't know, maybe I might make this into a series of learning Cebuano Visayan. Let me know what you think. We'll see. I mean, I don't really have formal training in teaching language, but I can help out for sure. Um, alright, so I guess I'll teach you the vowels. Yeah, because when I hear some foreigners speak Cebuano, mm, they have trouble with some vowels apparently because it's similar to Spanish, and yeah, just my thing is keep it short and crispy. That's how it'll sound better, I guess. Alright, so there are five vowels, right? Five. But sometimes, some sources will tell you there are three. Okay? Cebuano Visayan it doesn't really have a standardized spelling system yet. I say yet because there are ways you can spell it, but there hasn't really been a universally accepted way that they write this language because some people spell different words depending on whatever dialect they speak or in whichever region they speak. So, oh, and I guess that's another thing I should talk about too, dialectology. So, Cebuano dialectology. Because Cebuano is spoken in a vast region of the Philippines, obviously people are gonna talk differently the language, just how you have English dialects from I don't know, Texas, New York, and Australia and South Africa. Okay, everybody speaks English differently, though they can still understand each other. Same with Cebuano, right? People speak it differently, but we can still understand each other. Like I'm from Davao, so I speak Davaoeno Cebuano, right? And people in Cebu speak differently from people in Bohol versus people in Leyte and some other places. So whichever which, I'm just gonna teach you what I know, and it can help you out. Uh, if you have Filipino friends that speak Cebuano, they can help you out. If you're, I don't know, foreigners that married Filipinos, your husband or wife can help you out. I don't know. So anyway, five vowels I'll teach you, because the three of them are also included in the five. Alright? First one, ah. Keep it short and crispy. Ah, ah. Okay, second one, eh, eh. Okay, as in egg, eh, right? Ah as in father, ah, ah, eh as in egg, right? Third one, e, e. Like the English letter E, but keep it short and crispy, e, e. Fourth one is o, o, okay? And the last one is oo. I'll write it on the description box so you can see it. I'm just lazy right now. Or I probably haven't found a way to do this stuff yet. I'm doing this totally ad-lib. Alright? So, five vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. Alright? Sounds like the Spanish vowels. Okay? It sounds like it. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Um, those five vowels. Master those vowel sounds because they're your foundation in diphthongs, triphthongs, and whatever thongs there are. So master those. They only have one sound, right? One and only, just one only sound. You don't have to worry about having it be a long or a short vowel or whatever vowel. It's just no. What it is just one sound, one short sound. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Uh, I guess I'll teach you the alphabet too. So, as I said, like, there's no, like, formally, or, I shouldn't say that maybe, because I don't know. There's no universally accepted orthography for writing Cebuano. So people will have their own variations. But anyway, I'm just going to teach you the alphabet because it does include all. Alright, so just listen. And I'll write it down in the description box so you can follow along. Alright, first letter, starting with the first letter is A, Ba, Ka, Da, E, Ga, Ha, La, Ma, Na, Nga, Pa, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Wa, Ya. Alright, I'm going to say it a little faster. A, Ba, Ka, Da, E, Ga, Ha, I, La, Ma, Na, Nga, Pa, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Wa, Ya. Okay? And of course we get your consonant clusters and more diphthongs from just the standard alphabet, whatever. And no, this isn't the Filipino language, so I'm not gonna dictate what the Commission of the Filipino language has as their alphabet. And no, this isn't Tagalog, so I'm not gonna use their alphabet as well. Alright, so the Comisión sa Wikang Pilipino or Filipino, whatever you want to call it, they have their own whatever. I'm just teaching you from what I was taught, okay, from my mom. They have their own entity. I'm just teaching you Cebuano Visayan from what I was taught, and it's always helped me. I use the way she writes, so it's all good. Yeah, so I guess in a future lesson I'll just add on, or maybe you could make suggestions. You know, I'm always here to help. I like helping. What else? Maybe I can teach you some basic greetings, expressions. I mean, it is late, so yeah. Common way of saying hello, or when you're gonna greet someone, is Kumusta. Kumusta. Right? Kumusta. And common reply, if you're feeling good, from someone is Maayo. Maayo. Or Maayo man. Maayo man. I guess that's something I'll teach later too. The man, meaning I'm just good. That's it. Just good, nothing else. Maayo man, maayo lang. Yeah, I'm good only. I'm only good. I don't care about anything else. Just good. Okay. So, kumusta? Maayo man. Alright? Boom. Or maayo. Maayo lang. Maayo ra. If you speak from the friggin' boonies or something like that, from the mountains and out in the rural areas, you have your own dialect there too. Um, what else can I say? Yeah, if you're feeling bad, Dili Maayo or Di Maayo. They like to shorten things. Yeah, Cebuano speakers like to shorten things. Dili is negative. It's a way of negating things. You can also use wala depending on certain situations, but I guess I can explain that in a later video. Or Dili Maayo, Di Maayo. Yeah. You want to say thank you. There's Salamat, Salamat. Thank you very much. Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat kaayo. Like, it's like saying thank you very, very much. You're in debt with that person. Kind of. And a common response to thank you is you're welcome, right? So when we say you're welcome, it's Walay Sapayan. Walay Sapayan. But as I said also, Cebuano speakers love to shorten things, right? So sometimes they'll shorten that walay to y. Y. Y Sapayan. Y Sapayan. Right? Y Sapayan. Walay Sapayan. Same thing. Yes. Oh, when you wake up in the morning, get out of bed, some of the first things you'll hear in the morning is Maayong Buntag, which means good morning. Maayong Buntag. Right? And as your day progresses, and it hits noon, as in like high noon, like 12 o'clock noon, Maayong Udto. Okay, Maayong Udto, that's already the high. The highest day the sun is out. And just afternoon in general is Maayong Hapon. Hapon. Okay? Uh, then you're gonna go to sleep, you're in bed. Maayong Gabii. Good night. Maayong Gabii. What else can I say? What else can I teach you? I don't know. You let me know though, because this is kind of fun, honestly, making these videos and teaching. Alright, adios, adios.